CIO Choice is a unique initiative started by Anup and team, and it's a brand in market today.
The CIO Choice, I think, is an excellent platform, and it's a very well thought out, property, I would say.
CIO Choice is a great twist to the any kind of programs which you could see in the IT world.
The current format of CIO Choice itself is a great methodology and platform for all the ICT vendors to come back and demonstrate their innovations and products to the CIO community and build the bridge between both the community.
I mean, the last year was the first year of CIO Choice 2013, and that has, I think, set the standards for itself last year.
The concept is good, and involving the CIOs to vote takes away all kinds of possibilities of misuse.
Last event was amazing. This is creating new benchmarks for them.
It's good assembly of all the CIOs coming, sharing their mind, sharing their visions, sharing their views, and I think it's a great honor to be part of this aggregation.
It's going to be good because we would have learned from our experience in 2013. So we will try to always see that how we can do it much better than 2013, which has been already very good.
2013 CIO Choice was great. The concept was innovative, and it is exactly what vendors and CIOs require. I am quite confident that CIO 2014 will be much better than what we have done in 2013.
The new advisory panel also looks very strong, and I'm sure they will do much better than the current advisory panel that we were part of.
When any vendor they are coming to sell their solution services, they are using that particular brand to position their services.
Definitely awarding to the vendors is a extremely good practices.
So already we have seen very amazing and innovative things which are coming up, like red carpet.
It is, I think the unique feature of that is it's a very democratic kind of a process, which not a single stakeholder can drive that or can manipulate that, because the process is such that the voting happens. You define the particular vendor whom you want to vote for, and it's a collective kind of a decision which happens by the CIO community.
And obviously, as a member of the CIO community, I would like to see more and more participation.
2013 itself is something which you have done it very differently.
Right, I think CIO Choice need to keep that going on, right, and make the vendors converted there into a partners to the CIO community. That's what I am expecting of CIO 2014.
For 2014 programs, we would definitely like to see certain level of differences than the previous year. Previous year has already created their benchmark.
I expect a similar kind of thing happening in 2014 as well, and helping the all CIO community to stay together, as well as finding out what can be done in a better fashion.
It is a lot of expectation, and first time we have seen in 2013 there is a red carpet. It's walked by all the CIO fraternities, and I look forward to attend this event in January 10th.
So I'm already excited. We have already booked the calendar for the next event.
The legacy will be much better than what it was even this year.